Hey guys, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and it is time to hit the road with Mr. Damon Dog here, who's super whiny. And we are going to be going up to the North Carolina mountains. We're going to run up and visit my parents. My wife is having a girls' weekend at the house, so I've been kicked out along with my buddy here, Mr. Damon. So as you can see maybe behind me, I brought the Mini. It's on the trailer, ready to roll. I don't know if it's going to be warm enough or even if it's going to be good enough weather to drive, but I'm really hoping I can, so that I can drive the Mini up to one of our tallest mountains in North Carolina, Grandfather Mountain. It's not the tallest, but it's one of the tallest. So should be a lot of fun, and let's hit the road. Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and today we are going to be using my new GoPro to chart a little drive here in the mountains. This is kind of a last hurrah of the season, because it is a little bit past autumn here. It's pretty cold, but today is a really nice day, so we're going to take the Mini for a drive. And if you guys take a look out this window here, you can see right up there along the horizon a small silhouette of a man's face. And what we're going to be doing is taking a little trip down a pretty dusty dirt road, and then we'll hit the Blue Ridge Parkway, which will be really awesome, and then we will swing our way around and cap off at the top of the mountain. It should be a really cool drive, and I hope you guys enjoy coming along here with me. So with that, windshield's clean, let's hit the road.
One, two, three, funk it.
Okay, so I'm pulled over. As you can see, Mini's parked. I've got the toolbox out, you know, as is the way with a Mini. I picked up a new ignition coil for my Mini right before I left for this trip, because I was thinking, I'm trying to diagnose a problem between shifts. The fueling just isn't quite right, and I'm getting there. I'm tried all sorts of different stuff to troubleshoot it, and I'll cover that more in another episode. But I tried an ignition coil to see if that would work. Unfortunately, the new ignition coil was just like an Advanced Auto Parts kind of special. It wasn't really nice or anything, and it's not really cutting it. I'm getting some misfires at higher RPMs, which is really aggravating, because once you really start ripping on the car and you have some fun, you know, once you get up into the higher RPM bands, you want it to continue to pull, and it's just not with a misfire. So pulled over on the side of the road. I have the old coil that I had before. I'm going to take that, put that back in, and then we'll hit the road again. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so we have, hopefully it's not too windy, we've made it up to the top of Grandfather Mountain, which is just a little over a mile high. You can see, got the Mini up here, officially. Up there is the mile-high swinging bridge, so that goes off over into this little like lookout area, and then little observatory area. I think I'm gonna send the drone up here just to get some nice scenic views, but there it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is why the Smoky Mountains are so incredible. Alright, ladies and gents, so I have just finished up filling up at the gasoline station, and I've filled up the car, and I think this is where I'm going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the little clips of the GoPro stuff. It's my first time using it and really getting used to it, so I hope it was good. If you have any feedback, anything you want to share with me, please let me know. I am always open to feedback, but it was fun ripping on these mountain roads. Even though we had a little bit of an issue with the ignition coil, nothing we couldn't fix. But I think this is probably going to be the last like really good driving video I'll do this year. It's getting really cold, so it's not as fun to come out and like drive and video and do all that stuff. So who knows, we might do something, but obviously we've got a big engine build going on, so it's going to take up a lot of time. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next episode, and until then, enjoy those minis and motor on.